Before departing on my journey around Canada in May, I thought I should test out my camp cooking equipment. I had a little too much gear and I needed to downscale, so I thought I'll do a 1-liter boil test to see which one I prefer. First off, an MSR WindBurner. For me, this is the easiest stove to use, but the fuel canisters are, I don't know, they feel a little wasteful. I quickly realized I'm not very talented at this YouTube gear review kind of thing, so I thought, let's just take a break and see what's happening at our local duck pond. Next is the Kettle, by far my favorite to use. It's really fun and you get to make fire, but it is a little bit labor intensive if you don't have a lot of dry kindling ready to go at your disposal. Meanwhile, at the duck pond. Lastly is an MSR WhisperLite. It's not my favorite, as it's a little bit loud, but I'm getting used to it, and to be honest, it's probably going to be the best one for my journey. So, looks like I'm going to be packing it up and taking it with me, and the rest, well, we'll just have to have them wait for another time. Thanks for watching, everybody, and happy camp cooking this season.